Hello guys, thank you for enrolling in my Instagram course, and this is gonna be a first introduction actually lecture. So I'm gonna explain you a few things the way we're gonna go through the whole lecture set. So as you can see the mobile my mobile mirror on the screen, we're gonna use the mobile and I'm gonna present you step by step how I'm using the Instagram on my post. This one we're gonna use as a test account, as I'm also work on another 3 accounts. So we're gonna talk about fitness running blog and how I make over 10k over the summertime. Also we're gonna talk about the cover actually startup industry. So we're gonna have a kind of like how to actually promote your product or your service on Instagram as well. So this will be couple of the really good tips on promoting actually your product or service or become the influencer on Instagram. So let's go quickly to the whole lecture. I'm gonna show you that where we're gonna start is by creating the amazing Instagram profile visibility. So you might have already Instagram account, you might have already set the bio picture and everything, but I just want to go through with you again and just check if you do the right things and you do those things properly, and also how you can add more than one URL link in your bio. So this is the actually trick, not many people know about it. And we're gonna move also to the further lecture and how to actually you can create amazing content, photos and video from your mobile device. So I'm gonna concentrate to do everything by using mobile application, how to edit photos, how to edit your video. So I will try to actually avoid as much I can the laptops or your desktop, so you can do everything from your mobile device, which is very important these days. And also actually I'm gonna present you how you can market yourself every single day by using story, live streaming, tips and tricks in this area as well. And we're gonna talk about content for fitness industry, product content, influencer, fashion, and the main things, the strategy of course is going to be based on the new Instagram algorithm, which has been actually changed in 2017, and that's why your traffic slowed down a little bit, and also you cannot use those strategy when you used in the past because they doesn't work anymore. So also we're gonna cover what it means shadow banned. Your post might be shadow banned, why they shadow banned, and how you can fix this. To be very important, and this is also slow down your traffic. We're gonna talk about the hashtag strategy, what hashtags actually the best works for you, and also how you can improve engagement of your post by 10 times. I'm gonna show you how I did on my post, how I get 10 times more engagement, comments on my single post. So this will be kind of the tips and tricks as well. And a shout out strategy, as you might know, actually is very popular and is very actually famous marketing tool Instagram. And we're gonna cover also how to become the influencer. If you're running the personal blog, you would like to earn some money from Instagram by growing your followers. So we're gonna talk about how you can find those followers, ways you can generate the income. There is many ways you can generate income, and I also give you as a present 400 plus list addresses, email addresses of the brands they pay for the shout outs. So when you grow your followers, you can contact them and say, "Oh guys, I grow my actually account and I would like to get paid for shoutouts at the moment." So this is all the actually tips I'm gonna give it to you in this whole course, and also you're gonna get the bonus. So the bonus from me is gonna be personal profile review. I'm gonna personally review your Instagram profile record the video and publish on my social media, so you can get more feedback on your profile, what you can improve especially for your niche. So this will be very powerful review, give you some shout outs as well as get you the feedback crowd on your profile. So this will be the kind of a bonus from me. So all those things we're gonna cover in this lecture and even more. So stay with me for further lecture, and hope you're gonna enjoy this course. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.